You just bought your dream car. Now the question is, how do you protect it while also making it stand out from everything else on the road? The answer is matte paint protection film. Unlike your traditional clear bra, matte PPF completely changes the overall appearance of your vehicle without altering the original OEM paint underneath. The matte finish enhances body lines, sharpens contours, and provides that stealthy look that makes it impossible to miss on the road. And tell me this, how many times do you see a matte vehicle out on the road? We do these installs almost every day, and yet I only see about 1 or 2 matte vehicles a week on the road. It's a unique look that separates your vehicle from the crowd without overdoing it. Matte PPF isn't just about appearance. Just like your traditional paint protection film, the main goal is to protect your vehicle. With an 8 to an 11mm protective layer, matte PPF can protect your vehicle from road debris, scratches, rock chips, and everyday wear and tear. Whether it's loose gravel from the highway, improper washing, or a shopping cart that hits your car, matte PPF acts as a sacrificial layer between your car's paint and the outside world. Our team consists of certified paint protection film experts with years of experience installing premium, industry-leading protection films on everything from daily drivers to exotic vehicles. We specialize in professional edge-to-edge installations designed to look seamless and factory finished. For a lot of vehicles getting this type of installation, we do parts removal to ensure the cleanest possible results. Most importantly, we believe in doing the job right the first time. Every installation we do is backed by our industry-leading 10-year warranty, giving you the confidence long after you leave our shop. So why settle for traditional clear bra when you can have the same industry-leading protection while also changing the appearance of your vehicle? Matte PPF gives you the best of both worlds, a unique look and ultimate peace of mind.